Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan Sxt Premium Plus in a brilliant black exterior.
It rides on the 17-inch Yokohama Avid all-season tires. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Grand Caravan 283 horsepower. Along the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Grand Caravan seats up to 7 people in a premium leather and suede lining interior. If you're on the driver's side, you get access to the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. As for the left, you have your voice recognition, Bluetooth, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. As we head into the odometer, it reads 17,904 kilometers. The Grand Caravan comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, which you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we head into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. Going to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. Down below is your tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear section of the Grand Caravan. Heading into the second row, you have 2 captain chairs. Both can be used as Sto N Go with lots of leg space. As we head into the third row, we have 3 more seats, also with lots of leg space. And if we look way up, we have the third of our tri-zone climate control system. And if we push this button for entertainment purposes, we have a DVD entertainment system. And once you're done in the back, we have a button right here that activates the power sliding door. As we move to the trunk, there's plenty of cargo space with storage along the side. If you need any more space, the third row is also a Sto N Go and has 60/40 split fold. And once you're done in the back, we have another button activating the power liftgate. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan Sxt Premium Plus. If you like what you see, you might have to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler and get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.